Please subscribe math.com and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can find the solution of the simultaneous linear equations by using the matrices, as we can also use the method of elimination and substitution. Besides that, matrices by using the matrices is another method to find the solution of the linear equations given. So we are having an example in which we are given the two linear equations, and we are going to find its solution by using the matrices method. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to write these two equations in the matrix form. How? Let's see. What we have to do, we have to take the constants first to form a matrix. So as the matrix consists of an array of numbers, so we have to pick the coefficients of x and y, and we have to write it like 2, 3, minus 3 and minus 4. So these are the coefficients of x and y, that is this 2, 3, minus 3 and minus 4. So this is an array of numbers. Then we have to write the variables that the value of which we have to find, that is x and y. As we have x and y in the two equations, so I have to write them as x and y. Then we have another matrix form of the constants on the other side of the equality, that is 11 and minus 13. So this is the matrix form, and it can be represented further as this is a matrix A, this is a matrix X, and this is a matrix B. So these are the representation of the given two linear equations in the matrix form. So you can write it as AX equals to B. As we have to find this x, that is the value of x and y, so what we have to do, we have to keep the x here and move A on the other side. That will become A inverse B. So you have to find x is equals to A inverse B. For that you must have A inverse and B. As we already have B written in the matrix form, but we don't have A inverse. So for that we have to find the A inverse. Now what is A inverse? Let's write it. A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. So we have to find the adjoint of A and A determinant as well in order to find the A inverse, and then at the end we have to multiply A inverse with the B. So let's find A inverse as, first we have to find adjoint of A. Let's find it. Adjoint of A is equals to ADJ of adjoint of A. A is what? 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 3 and minus 4. So this is the, and you can find its adjoint how? By interchanging the position of these two and by changing the signs of these two. Minus 4 is here and 2 is here, and minus 3 will be here and 3 will be here. It means what we have done, we have changed the position of 2 and minus 4, and we have changed the signs of 3 and minus 3. So this is how you can find the adjoint of a matrix. Then we have to find the A determinant, the determinant of the given matrix. That can be found as A is equals to, what is A? 2 minus 3, 3 and minus 4. We have to find the determinant of A. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the diagonals and the elements in the diagonal, that is 2 multiplied by minus 4, then there will be the negative sign in between, and then multiply the another diagonal, that is 3 and minus 3, 3 multiplied by minus 3. Then what we will get is 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, minus 3 into 3 is 9, that is minus into minus plus 9, and what we will get is 1. So the determinant of A is 1 and adjoint of A is the given that we have found. So A inverse will be, A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by A determinant equals to, so adjoint is minus 4, minus 3 and 3 and 2, and the A determinant is 1, so there is no need to write the 1. Otherwise you have to divide every element with the value of the A determinant. So A inverse is this. Now we just need to multiply this A inverse with B in order to get the value of x and y. So x is equals to A inverse B. So what is A inverse? A inverse is minus 4, 3, minus 3, 2, and B is what? B is this, that is 11 and minus 13. So let's multiply them by using the multiplication rule of the matrices as minus 4 into 11 plus minus 3 into minus 13. What you have to do, you have to multiply this element with this and this element with this. with the plus sign. Then move towards the second row, multiply that row with the column of 11 and minus 13. So 3 into 11 plus 2 into minus 13. So x is equals to, what we will get is minus 44 plus 39 and 33 minus 26. So the answer will be minus 5 and 33 minus 26 is 7. So this is the value of what? This is the value of x and y, the unknowns, basically the solution of these two linear equations. So this is how you can find the solution of the linear systems by using the matrices. Besides using the elimination and substitution method, we can also use that, and keep this in mind. You will get the same answer by using any method. So this is another method. If you feel it easier, you can use it to find the value of x and y. So that's all from today's lecture.